How to edit your profile. To begin, we must first locate your profile in the top right corner of the platform and click on it. Then, from the list of options, click on the Preferences option. This will open up the profile display interface. This display will show 3 boxes labeled User Account, Blogs, and Badges, respectively. In this video, we will be focusing on the User Account box. Once on this page, navigate to the Edit Profile option at the top of the User Account box and click on it. In this interface, you will be greeted with the arrangement of various settings and options that can be edited. There are 5 interactable drop-downs. The first one is the General drop-down. However, the only options that are recommended to be changed are Email Visibility, the City, Town Display option, Country Display, Time Zone, and a Personal Description. These can be changed by either clicking on a drop-down and selecting what you would like to display, or typing it into the box provided. The second drop-down lets us change our display picture for our profile, along with providing a file uploading feature. Here the maximum file size, maximum number of files, as well as the accepted file types are listed. This will help you to have a better idea on what images can be used. You can upload a file by simply dragging it to the upload box, or using the file picker option at the top left of the upload interface. The third drop-down allows us to add additional names to your profile. The options are first name, phonetic, last name, phonetic, middle name, and an alternate name. These can be changed by typing in the box allocated to these options. The fourth drop-down, Interests, allows you to create a comprehensive list of tags of things you like or are interested in, and have it displayed on your profile. This is done by typing into the box with Enter Tags and pressing Enter. The fifth and final drop-down is the Optional drop-down. This contains various miscellaneous options that are considered not as necessary. These include ID number, institution, department, phone, mobile phone, and home address. These are not mandatory and do not need to be filled, but can be edited by simply inputting what you want into the text boxes allocated to these settings. Navigate to the bottom of the page when you are satisfied with your changes, and click on the Update Profile option. With this information, you can now edit your profile.